Today is camping day.
It's a beautiful morning. I can't wait.
This is my favorite camping jacket. I'm ready for today's adventure.
Perfect.
Let's go. Water bottle. Check. I'm ready.
That camping trip was so much fun.
Today will be even better.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Emma.
Good morning, camper.
Breakfast is almost ready.
Fresh pancakes for everyone.
Thank you, Mom.
Tent, sleeping bags, flashlights, water.
Everything sounds ready.
Alex.
Nice.
Okay, team. Let's get ready for our camping trip.
Yes.
Emma, bring the water bottles. Alex, bring the football. Lily, don't forget Teddy.
I'll pack the food. I'll bring the picnic blanket. Water bottles? Done.
Great job, Emma.
Honey, can you carry the cooler?
Coming. Everyone has everything?
I'm ready. Me too. Teddy is ready.
Let's make wonderful memories today.
Is everyone here?
Looks like we're all set.
Let's go camping.
What a beautiful morning.
It's perfect for camping.
The weather couldn't be better.
I want the window seat.
Easy, Alex. Stay together.
Today is going to be amazing.
All right, let's load the car.
I'll help.
Everything is fitting perfectly.
Teddy rides with me.
Great teamwork, everyone. Everything is packed.
Come on, Lily. I'll help you. Thank you, Emma.
Take your time, Grandma.
Seatbelts, everyone.
Mine is on. Ready to go. Everyone is safe.
Ready for our adventure?
Yes! Let's make today unforgettable. Look, a puppy. He's so cute. I love sunny mornings. The air feels so fresh.
We're leaving the city now.
The forest isn't far.
Look, a house.
The countryside is beautiful.
Let's take a short break.
Wow, it's so beautiful. Look at the lake.
Drink some water before we continue.
Thank you, Mom.
The fresh air feels wonderful.
All right, everyone. Time to continue our adventure.
I wish we could stay a little longer.
Don't worry, Emma. The campsite will be...
Oops. I'll walk this time.
Good choice, Alex.
Thank you, Emma. You're welcome. Wow. The trees are so tall.
We're almost there. This forest is beautiful. Animals live here, so we always drive slowly.
I'm glad we stopped. We made it! The campsite looks amazing!
Everyone did a great job.
We made it.
It's even prettier than I imagined.
Let's unload everything first.
I'll help with the bags.
Great teamwork, everyone.
We'll put the tent right here.
I can't wait to sleep under the stars.
This spot feels perfect.
Can I help, Dad?
I'm looking for our blue camping gear bag.
Let's check together.
I think we left the camping gear bag at home.
It's okay, Dad. We can solve this together.
Thank you, Emma. Let's think.
I have an idea. Maybe someone can help us. Hello? We're sorry to bother you.
We forgot our camping gear bag at home. You're welcome to borrow our extra tent.
Really?
Of course. Neighbors help neighbors. Thank you so much. We're happy to help.
Teamwork makes everything easier.
We did it.
Together.
That's what family is all about.
Emma, what's over there?